Hello students, today we are going to start remaining part of lesson number 34, that is the King of the Golden River part 1. In previous video we have seen that Gluck's brother Squirts and Hans, they have warned to Gluck that don't allow anyone to come inside. Then also Gluck had allowed a strange visitor to come inside. Now we will continue this lesson. The stranger, however, had no plans of leaving. In fact, he told Gluck that he had nothing to eat for 2 days and was very hungry. It melted Gluck's heart to hear this, and so he decided to give the stranger a part of his own dinner. When the stranger told that from 2 days he has not ate anything, that time Gluck's heart melted, means he feel very sorry for that, and he what done, he shared his dinner with him. Before the stranger had eaten it, however, the wicked brothers returned. Before the stranger eat the dinner, what happened? The wicked brother, they returned at home. They were shocked to see that the little gentleman sitting in the house. They want to Gluck that don't allow anyone to come inside. Then also Gluck has took this person inside, so they were shocked to see this gentleman sitting in the home. At once the brothers began to shout at Gluck. Squirt threw a rolling pin at Gluck. Rolling pin means what? For making chapati we use the tube-shaped kitchen item that is called latne. That is called rolling pin, and Squirt threw it to the Gluck. At the instant, means immediately, the stranger put in his conical cap and the rolling pin went spinning to the corner of the room. Means the stranger, he put a conical cap in middle, so Gluck did not got hurt. Instead of that rolling pin, it went spinning to the corner of the room. The brothers turned to the visitor and ordered him to get out of the house. The little man, the stranger, asked them humbly to let him stay as it was so cold and wet outside. But the evil, means bad brothers, wouldn't listen. They rushed at the old man to throw him out of the house. To their surprise, they found that they couldn't touch him. Means this story, it is wrote on imagination. So when these two brothers, they tried to catch this stranger, that time they couldn't catch it. Instead, they were themselves swept into the corner with the rolling pin, which rolling pin Squirts has threw to the Gluck. From that rolling pin only these brothers swept, means they sweep into the corner. Then the old gentleman, means the stranger, gathered his cloak means what? Cloth and cap, and said, at 12 o'clock tonight I will call again, means again I will come at 12 o'clock tonight. But since you have treated me so badly, it will be the last visit I pay you. Then he went like a whirlwind. Now whirlwind is what? A tall column of spinning air which move across the surface of the land. That night a big storm woke the brothers. It shook the house and blew away the roof. In the Squirts and Hans, they woke up because of this big storm, and their house, it shook me shake, and the roof of the house, it was blown away because of the storm. Once again the wicked brothers saw the strange visitor. He was sitting on the cloud, bobbing up and down. The bobbing is what? Moving up and down. Means once again at 12 o'clock at night, these two brothers saw this stranger. He was sitting on the cloud, bobbing up and down. You may go to your brother's room. I have not damaged it, he told Hans and Squirt. Means for Hans and Squirt, what stranger told that your brother's room you can go because I have not damaged it. Remember that this is my last visit. You will find my card on the table. And with those words he disappeared. Means in the brother's room you will find my card on the table, like this stranger told to these brothers, and he disappeared, means he gone from there. In the morning the brothers saw from the window that the storm had swept away whole trees and crops from Treasure Valley. At the starting of the lesson we have seen there was a Treasure Valley, and the Treasure Valley, it was of these three brothers, and in that Treasure Valley which crops, trees were there that were swept away because of the storm. Everywhere they saw only red sand and grey mud. The valley was a picture of ruin. Ruin means spoiled, means nothing was in that valley. It was fully spoiled, means ruin. The brothers then crept into the kitchen. Crept means they moved into the kitchen. On the kitchen table there was a small white card. Students, here you can see white card is shown. What is wrote is see southwest wind. Southwest wind means what? The stranger only. For stranger only this name is given. And down below that sound west wind, what is river or written Esquire. Esquire means what? See, Esquire, it is a polite title placed after man's name when no other title is used. Means with the man's name, if any other title is not used, that time after name of that person some title is used, that is called Esquire. I hope all of you understood this lesson. Now we'll look after the question answers of lesson number 34. Students, here question answer of lesson number 34 it is given. This question answers you have to copy in English workbook. Copy it properly and write the spellings correctly. Thank you.